It's creamy, it's crunchy, it's elegant. You guessed it right, we're making a Dubai chocolate bar. Let's make it happen. First off, we're gonna do the filling because this goes to the oven and then we want it to cool off properly before mixing it with the pistache cream. So, this is the famous crunch that they have in there. Not sure what the hell the name is, if it's a Kadaif. So to correct myself from earlier, it's Kadaif. Don't kill me, I had it wrong, but they corrected me. Kadaif, I said it right. Add it in here. And then we're gonna be melting this butter. And then I'm gonna be mixing this up with the butter. And then we're gonna add this to a baking tray and bake it until golden brown. Now we're gonna be making the filling for the Dubai chocolate bar. We're gonna be doing so using white chocolate, using pistachio cream. I'm sure you love this one quite a bit. And of course, a lot of pistachios. And now comes the most fun part of the recipe, tempering chocolate. If you don't know how, check out our video. Let's melt the chocolate and temper it. Set it aside, let it sit, and then it can go into the fridge. In the meantime, we're gonna be cleaning up the mess I made and then making the filling, mixing the kunefe that we baked in the oven with the pistachio cream, the luscious pistachio cream that we made. Chocolate inside of the mold, beautiful shell right there, and now we're gonna fill it up. Now that we have the filling a bit chilled, we're gonna go ahead and close off the bars. Now it's time for the reveal. And there you have it, looking shinier than a bar of gold. Beautiful stuff. Let's try it out. The crunch. Oh, pistachio goodness. Try it out at home.